Hi, this is Srijay Chakraborty, the HR head at Greenglobe Fuel Solutions Private Limited, a leading manufacturer and supplier of world-class fuel-related products and services. Greenglobe Fuel Solutions was founded in Mumbai in 2004 to boost up the growth of the alternative fuel industry. In the last 17 plus years, we have been serving the natural gas industry and Indian automobile sector. We also develop, distribute and install automobile CNG, LPG, LNG conversion systems into Indian vehicles. The employees are the backbone of our company. We started our company with just 6 individuals back in 2004. And today we are a company of more than 300 personnel working in different departments. As we have diverse teams working in different operational activities to develop and enhance 30 plus products and services offered to more than 50 natural gas and automobile companies across the world. Keeping this workforce engaged is a challenging task that we have been doing successfully with the help of Pocket HRMS software. I have been working in the HR domain for last 15 plus years, and having worked for this much amount of time, I have realized that we must have a cloud-based Pocket HRMS system which can enhance our functioning in the HR department, which will not only save the time but will increase the efficiency of the HR team. And that is what has actually happened when we actually took the support and help of the Pocket HRMS team. Earlier, we used to do all HR tasks with the help of Microsoft Excel. It was an excellent tool which could help complete all the HR tasks on time. However, due to the growing number of employees and the complexity of different departments, it was very difficult for us to manage the time. So, both for the purpose of efficient functioning of HR team and saving the time, the cloud-based HRMS was the only purpose or the goal for us to hire, and that is why we have gone for the same. With the cloud-based Pocket HRMS, we are able to streamline and automate our salary structure, minimum wages structure, and each and every functions of our HR department more efficiently in the least possible time. And we have a artificial intelligent chatbot known as Smarty, with the help of which all the employees are able to view and edit their details as and when they want to do that. The other aspect of this is that HR team themselves can view and edit all the details when they are typing it. We selected Pocket HRMS as it is a comprehensive HRMS platform. It provides efficient functioning of the HR team. We actually wanted this for HR automation, which gives data security and employee engagement also in this. This increases the efficiency of the HR department and also saves a lot of time. Out of many HRMS, we found that Pocket HRMS is the best fit, and that is why we have selected it. So I'd like to suggest any HR manager who is looking for a cloud-based HRMS platform should choose the one which is cloud-based, user-friendly, less time-consumable, easy to operate on 24/4 basis, and which caters efficient functioning of the HR department at every point of time. When we went for this HRMS Pocket solution, we actually had brainstorming sessions and meetings with the Pocket HRMS team. They were very helpful and cooperative and enthusiastic to develop a unique module for our Greenglobe, which is efficiently working till date. And we want to have a long working relationship with them to scale the software as per the requirements in future. Thank you.